Hi, I'm Billy Blanks coming to you with a brand new type of workout. It's called Celebrity Fit Sculpting. Are you guys ready to get down? Are you guys ready to get down at home? We're going to warm up first, get right into the Celebrity Fit Sculpting workout. All right, keep moving.
2, 3,
Work it.
4,
Turn.
5.
Turn. Work it. 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 Work it.
맛있어.
Work it. Work it. Work it.